Hey guys, and welcome back to another Boxycharm unboxing, the final true Boxycharm unboxing before they merged with Ipsy. So this is the March 2023 Luxe box unboxing, which was practically looked like a damn shoebox. Am I not wrong? Anyway, so don't mind me. I'm still getting used to my new setup here and trying to finagle everything around. But yeah, so might be a little awkward and gawky trying to do all this because I have like a gazillion wires going across the table here, but anyway. So it looked like this for the little card on the front. But yeah, Spring Luxe 2023, aka last box. So this has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 items in it. The most expensive clocking in at 78 bucks. But let me do a real quick tally of our totals here, just because we can. Let's see. So we have a $36 product, a $55 product, 78, 35, 20, 30, 22, and 26, coming to a grand total of $302 in value. This box itself, I believe, was, oh, what did Luxe box cost? Wasn't it something like 70 bucks? So not too shabby, not too shabby. So in no particular order, let's get the bubble wrap out of the freaking way. In no particular order, we have the iconic London multi-use lip and cheek palette. I guess there's no other name besides that. This is worth $55. Wow, second most expensive item in there. The box is nothing to write home about. So let's see what the product looks like. Whoop. Okay, it also is nothing to write home about. Jesus Christ. Alright. So, in here, this is a $50-something product. Are you fucking kidding me? Broskies. Broheme. Like, are we shitting right now? I guess these are all cream products, but like, okay, all of them can be dual-purpose lip or cheek. Pretty sure every single one of these is too dark for my cheeks. Pretty freaking sure, unless they go on hella sheer. So, I'm just gonna pop that back in there. Honestly, if the box weren't fucked on this, I would try to resell it on eBay, but, it was like that before I opened it, so. Cool. Anyway. Then, from Verb, we have, let's see, the Moringa and Jojoba Treatment Oil. This is the $20 product. So it looks like that. Oh, and I forgot to read the little blurb about the other one. Let's go back. Create a fresh-faced, pretty flush and a pop of pout-enhancing color. Featuring 6 multi-use dewy cream shades, this easy-to-use palette provides an instant pick-me-up to the complexion. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, so the Verb one... Where the fuck were you? Okay. A hydrating multi-use serum formulated to reduce breakage, fight dry scalp. Oh, it's a hair thing! Okay. And repair damaged hair. Silicone-free, fragrance-free, and 100% natural. This pure blend is proven to reduce breakage by 73% and mend split ends by 64% while sealing in essential moisture. Proven in a third-party lab testing setting after applying to dry human hair fibers. Okay. Well, finding out it's for hair, actually, I think I'm a lot more excited about, because I was like, oh, cool, yet another serum, when I have 20 million serums to go through still. But yeah, no, hearing it's a hair one, okay. From Truly, this is quite the sight to behold. Glass jar, by the way. Let's see here. This is 35 bucks. It's the Cocoa Rose Fudge Jumbo. Oh shit, with coconut rose, shea butter, collagen, and algae extract boost. Please be coconut oil and not coconut. Fuck. Let's see here. So this Immerse yourself in luxurious hydration and delicate aromas of feminine florals using this ultra-nourishing body butter. Made with a blend of coconut and rose, this nourishing butter will brighten and hydrate dull skin to give it a glowing, youthful appearance. They didn't say oil. Alright, let's look at it closer. Ingredients. Organic shea butter. Coconut oil. Okay, we're still okay. Cocoon butter? I've never heard of that. Mango butter. Sweet almond oil, jojoba seed oil, cocoa butter, vitamin E, arrowroot, Melia azadirachta leaf extract, Melia azadirachta flower extract, Cochina indica fruit extract. Wait, is that a kind of weed? I think that might be a kind of weed. I saw indica. Corallina officinalis extract, radish root ferment filtrate, honeysuckle flower extract. It's there twice, but like different types. I guess one is Japanese honeysuckle and one's just normal, I guess. Aspen bark, gluconolactone, hibiscus rosa sinensis extract. Hibiscus rose, maybe? Hydrogenated soybean oil, beetroot extract, phenoxyethanol, tetrasodium glutamate diacetate, rose distillate, glycerin, water, algae extract, vegetable collagen, mica, titanium dioxide, iron oxide, manganese violet, and fragrance. I think I'm okay. I think we're safe. Let's see. Yeah, that literally just smells like rose. Oh, thank God. Okay, I think I'm actually able to use that, which makes me very happy because I was like, dude, I was so freaking stoked to finally get one of these. And then, of course, it's got friggin' coconut, but nope, coconut oil is the one exception. It's the one exception I can use that I'm not allergic to, so yay, alright. Alright, so, what the hell is this? Pat McGrath something. Pat McGrath Labs Celestial Nirvana Eyeshadow Palette. This is $36 for this little bitty thing. Okay. Infinite artistry awaits. This limited edition curated quintet of infinitely versatile hues. You know, using that many big words does not make it sound fancier. Just throwing it out there. Features 3 finishes. Sculpt and smolder in a sublime silk matte. Illuminate like an icon in a shimmering foil. Sparkle without caution in mesmerizing metallics. This provocative palette delivers opulent opacity in a single stroke while building luxuriously blended multi-dimensional color. Again, you're trying to make it sound way fancier than it actually is, probably because of the packaging. Trying to make itself look way fancier than it is. Almost guaranteed we open this and it's like not even anything that spectacular. Color names. I haven't even looked at the colors yet, but the color names are Mercurial Rose, Mahogany Angel, Coral Kiss, Plum Eclipse, and Naked Bronze. Well, they're pretty. They're pretty. I'll give them that. Alright, I don't think they're picking up on camera because I'm too close to the lamp. It's like right next to the camera, but like, if you can get the reflex, they're pretty. Alright, I'm not mad at it. Honestly, it's more interesting looking than I was expecting. I thought it was going to be like, oh, just like another generic kind of autumnal hues vibes thing. Alright, I won't hate on it so much. From LYS Beauty, we have the Complexion Brush Duo. This is $30. It says, effortlessly buff liquid, cream, and powder products into the skin with these densely packed brushes that seamlessly distribute product for an undetectable finish. Created with soft synthetic hair, these brushes maximize coverage while minimizing the amount of product needed for a finished result you will love. Well, let's see. It's always such a weird box when they're like triangular. It's like a Toblerone. Straight up like a Toblerone. Now I want a Toblerone. Okay, this is a foundation brush. Almost guaranteed I'll never get that mesh netting back on there. Oh, this is interesting. Interesting shape. So it looks more or less round, but like then you look at the angles on the barrel, it's not totally round. It's kind of that same triangular shape as the box. I'm like, oh, alright. That's interesting, not gonna lie. It's a little different. Granted, that's more probably just for the grippiness than anything, but ha, I did get it back on there. I win. And the other brush is a sculpting and bronzing one. Almost like they freaking told us so. So this one, again, has that interesting barrel on it. Straight up, I would not be able to tell these apart if they were not labeled what the hell they're for, because again, it just looks round. I love how soft it is, though. Like, honestly, if I didn't have makeup on my face, I would touch it to my face, but like, oh, that's so soft. Oh, it's like a little kitten. Aw. Okay. Anyway. Those are nice. Let's put that back on there. Okay. Back in the bag. For now. Till I put it with my other brushes. But just to keep it safe. And the other one. Don't mind me. Alrighty. There's that down. More or less anyway. Oop. Ripped the bag. Well, you know, it doesn't really matter. I'm not reselling these. I'm keeping these, so if I mess up the bag, I mess up the bag. Just like if I mess up the box, who cares? I can't remember. Were they both facing up or was one down and one up? I think one was down, one was up. And that was how they fit. Yeah, that had to have been it because they never would have fit the other way. Alright. Back in you get. Then the card for the Ipsy merger. Who gives a shit? Why are we torn open? God damn it. But it's Kate Somerville, so it is the Kate Somerville Hydracate Recharging Serum with Hyaluronic Acid. This was the $78 product, so I mean, I can't be too mad at being ripped. Like, just hopefully it's not fucking used. It says, inspired by Kate's LA Clinic microchanneling treatment and ideal for anyone looking for revived plump skin after a big week or a late night out. It contains aquaport technology that mimics microchanneling to unlock water pathways that deliver faster, deeper, lasting hydration. Something about that sounds sus, not gonna lie. Like, straight up fucking sus. Dude, like, seriously, half of those tabs are just straight up missing. Are you shitting me right now? I mean, at least it looks... I think it looks full. It's hard to tell through there, but, like, I think it's okay, but... I guess we'll find out, but like, I swear I hope nobody's been tampering with that, because that's truly upsetting otherwise. And from NARS, we have the iconic lipstick in the color Shanghai Express. I swear I almost misread that as Shanghai Surprise because of the George Harrison song. Yeah, movie that he did with Madonna. But anyway, so no rules, just lips. A new formula, this dynamic blend of moringa and passion fruit seed oils enhances color vibrancy and conditions lips for radically lightweight wear and unprecedented feel. Endless artistry, infinite expression. Again, they're trying too hard on these descriptions. This was $26, so let's see it. Oh. I wasn't expecting it to be a red tube. I'm so used to these being black. Oh. We all just saw that, right? How it literally just fell the actual fuck out. On the other hand, it landed butt side down, so I'm gonna honestly just kind of shove it back in there and pretend that didn't just happen, but wow, okay, that sucked, but it looks like that. and I guess I'm gonna be real fucking careful with that guy now. Like, dude. Great. Great. Love that for me. Honestly, how my luck's been going lately, just with everything. What can you do? At least I have a napkin right here. Ah, that was a bad move. All I did was smear the little bit that's on the table around. Hold on, technical difficulties. Yeah, I know it's gross, but it's my table. No one else uses it. I don't give a shit. Come on, you. We can do this. Oh my god, who the fuck is blowing up my phone? Whatever, close enough. Anyway. I think this is the last product. Yeah, it is. Thank God, because this video's going downhill fast. And this is from KVD Beauty Tattoo Pencil Liner in Trooper Black. This is 22 bucks. Last one, if I didn't mention, was 26. So, an ultra-smooth, transfer-resistant gel pencil eyeliner that has the iconic waterproof all-day wear of the best-selling tattoo liner. This pencil liner sets fast to lock in place on your lids and your waterline. It's high-pigmented, versatile, and easy to use, so you can line it, smudge it, or go graphic. It's literally black liner, guys. We don't need to open it to look at it. We know what black eyeliner looks like. So that was everything that was in the very final true Boxycharm box. Not gonna lie, a little bit disappointed here. Between the ripped open box, the busted ass lipstick, God, just could have been better between that and, you know, that little duo palette thing of lip and cheek. I don't know. For being as spendy of a box as it was, I'm like, yeah, they could have gone out on a higher note, but it was the very last one, so I guess it's kind of iconic in and of itself for that. So anyway, that's it. So as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload, leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my eBay, my Reddits, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time, see ya.